What's going on, guys? Welcome to Koroya Wood channel. We are running Linux Learn Linux command series, and today we are learning a few other commands, basic Linux commands, which is quite important, very important for you guys to know. Okay, so without further delay, we are going to the first command, and if you press Control Alt T, so our terminal opens. Okay, so our terminal opens. Just mention you guys, if you guys notice, I've got this Corono here and I've got a Changes here. Corono is my root password, so I've using this name for like 10 years. I didn't know this is coronavirus or something, but I just found out last year that it means this, but I quite like this name. I use it for 10 years, and my previous laptops and all my operating systems I named in this name, but who knows, nowadays there is something called Corona, so I installed this like 3 years ago, this on this laptop, so I don't know. Anyway, we go to the first command, and if you type ls -1, so it's ls -1. ls -1, it shows the home directory, so which current directory we are in. So like say we are home directory, and because there is a $sign here and there is nothing in between, doesn't say that video or pictures or anything else, so it says that if it's not saying anything, it means we are at the home directory. So ls -1, we copied that and we type it here, we paste it here. So the first command is ls -1, and the second command, which is quite very important, is pwd. It means print working directory. So if you guys going to uni, or if you going to say for a job or something, and if you guys want to use Linux, you should know which directory you are in. Say if you guys confused and you guys work in directory which you don't know, so it means pwd is a very important Linux command. It means that print working directory, not working, sorry guys, working directory. So it means P is print, I should put it on capital, W I put it on capital, and directory. So that's the pwd. Now we apply this on our thing. So if you put it clear, so if you put it clear and we type in pwd, it means we are at home, and Changes is our username. So we are at home, it means the computer is telling us that you are at home. So that's what the computer is telling us. The next one, if we put it there again with the pwd, today I focus mainly on pwd. So if we type here, type -a pwd, so it means pwd is shell built in, and pwd is a bin pwd. So pwd is a shell built-in, it's a built-in inside this shell command, and that's pwd is a binary. Bin means binary, so that's one thing you guys know. It's not like rubbish bin or something, no. In Linux world or in Ubuntu, bin means direct binary. So it's in it means that the pwd is in the binary directory. So it means also that the shell comes in with both the built-in pwd command and binary version. That's what it means. So pwd, I don't know why, directory, not directory, sorry for this guys. So we put a type -a pwd, so that pwd, I'm gonna put it in my dictionary so it's not annoying me anymore. So now we know that the pwd is very important command, and if we go there again, we put a pwd dash help. There you go. So its pwd is its definition is print the name of the current working directory. Options -L, print the value of pwd if the name's the current working directory, and -P, print the physical working directory without any symbolic links. So by default pwd behaves as if -L were specified. So if you put a, say according to this, if you put a pwd -L, it's still that, and we put a pwd p, still that. So they both outputting the same result and same thing. So if you put a echo pwd, say it's echoing that our our current print working directory. So it means the pwd is very important command. So if you put it echo, okay, so we put in pwd. So I put a pwd type -a pwd and pwd -L and pwd -P. So okay, so now we echoed our pwd. It means we echoed that our I didn't mention this echo is in PHP. If you guys done PHP, echo means print. So in a Linux as well. So if you want to print something, you put an echo at the front. So because you guys learning, I don't want to confuse you guys. So we put a ls, list of -1. So it's telling us that you're this directory. It tells us all information about our directory. So we put it here, all info about our directory. So how many folders there? Directory. So it looks like I've got a problem typing this directory. So now we're gonna do another one. So far we learned cd, we put this one, and we put a ls -1 -1, and we put this one, and we put a pwd. So it's telling us everything, whatever's inside this working directory. So all these hidden things, all these things inside our working directory, inside our home. So what we've done is that we've done a cd, we've done we typed that la -1, and we typed pwd. So it means we concatenate, we change them together. So I'll type this here. So it means that if you want to concatenate or yeah, that's fine, that's right. So if you want to concatenate or something, command line at the shell or the command line, all these your commands. So we put these things there. Okay, so we concatenate or chain them together. All right, so you guys, just to mention you guys that anywhere you go at the programming, all this programmer writing this pwd, it means that print working directory. So it tells you, the computer tells you what's your current directory, which directory you're currently working on. And we learn that clear as well, that clear the screen. So today we're learning only a few short commands. At the next tutorial we try to dive deeper into Linux commands, and we explore other Linux commands. Till the next video, I'll see you guys. Look after yourself, and bye.